Guys, did you know that the scariest part of a trip is the first 5 minutes? The first five? Wait, like packing your bag? No, not packing. I mean like walking into the hotel. Oh, you mean checking in? Yes, checking in. Welcome to English Pod Center, by the way. I'm Luna.
And I'm Lucas. But wait, Luna, why is checking in so scary?
Because, you're really tired. You just want to sleep.
Oh, yeah, so tired. Like a sleepy dog.
Exactly. A sleepy, hungry dog. And then a person asks you questions.
In English.
Right. In a new language? It's like so hard.
Yeah, I always freeze. I forget my name.
You forget your name? Lucas, really?
Yes, the hotel man says name, and I say, blue?
Blue. That's a color, Lucas, not a name.
I know. My brain just stops.
Well, that's the big problem today. People don't know what to say.
So how do we fix it? How do we check in?
We learn 3 simple steps. Just 3.
Okay, 3 steps. I like 3. 3 is good.
Step 1, it's saying hello, the greeting.
Just hello? That's easy.
Wait, let me finish. You say hello, and you say what you want.
I want to sleep.
No, you don't say that. The person will think you're crazy.
Oh, right. So what do I say?
You say, hello, I would like to check in.
I would like to check in.
Yes, it's like opening a door. You need a key, right?
Yeah, a key opens the door.
This sentence is your word key. I would like to check in.
Oh, a word key. I like that.
Mm-hmm. So the person behind the desk, they are the door.
Wait, they are a door? The person is a door?
No. It's an example, a picture in your head.
Oh, okay, I get it. The sentence opens the talk.
Exactly. Now, step 2, they will ask for paper.
Paper? Like money?
No. Well, maybe later. But first, your name paper.
Oh, passport.
Yes, passport or ID. They say, "Can I see your passport, please?"
And I say, here you go.
Perfect. Here you go. Lucas, you're good at this.
Really? But what if they talk too fast?
Ah, good question. What if they sound like a fast car? Vroom.
Yes, vroom. Can I see your passport, please? Like that.
If they're too fast, you just use one magic word.
Magic word? Is it please?
Close. It's slowly. Or please speak slowly.
Please speak slowly. That's really good.
Yeah, it's okay to ask for help. They want to help you.
That's true. They want me to sleep in the bed.
Right. So step 1, say you want to check in.
Step 2, give the passport. Here you go.
And step 3, this is the best part.
The bed?
No, well, almost. It's the key. They give you the key.
Oh, the real key, not the word key.
Yes, the plastic card. And they tell you your room number.
But wait, what if I have a big bag? Do they help?
Yeah, they usually do. You can ask, can someone help with my bags? Oh, nice, because my bag is like always so heavy. I know, Lucas. You pack too many shoes.
I need them. What if it rains?
4 pairs of shoes for rain?
Exactly. Okay, so I get the key. I get help with the bag.
Right. And then there is a very, very important question you must ask.
Oh, where's the bathroom?
No. Well, maybe, but no. The big question is about the internet.
Oh, right, the Wi-Fi.
Yes, the Wi-Fi. You just say, what is the Wi-Fi password?
What is the Wi-Fi password? That is so important.
Literally the most important thing. If I don't have Wi-Fi, I can't watch videos.
Right. Or listen to English Pod Center.
Yes, exactly.
So I ask for the Wi-Fi. What else?
Food. You need to ask about food.
Oh, yes, breakfast. I love hotel breakfast. The little eggs.
The little eggs and the juice. You can ask, what time is breakfast?
What time is breakfast? That is easy.
Very easy. And they will say from 7 to 10.
Okay, 7 to 10. Wait, what if I wake up at 11?
Then no little eggs for you, Lucas.
No, that is sad. I will set an alarm.
Good idea. So we have the key, bags, Wi-Fi, breakfast.
Awesome. Can I go to my room now?
Wait, one more thing. Sometimes they ask for a card.
A card? I gave them my passport.
A credit card. It is for a deposit.
Deposit? What is that?
It is like safety money. If you break the TV, they use that money.
Break the TV? I just want to sleep.
I know, it is just a rule. They don't take the money, they just look at the card.
Oh, okay, so I say, here is my credit card.
Yes, they hold the card on the computer. It is very, very normal.
Okay, I was scared. I thought I had to pay more money.
No. You already paid for the room. It is just for extras.
Extras? Like the snacks in the room?
Yes, the snacks in the little fridge, the minibar.
Oh man, the minibar is so expensive.
So expensive. It is like $10 for water.
$10? That is crazy. I will go to a shop outside.
Smart. But if you drink the minibar water, they use your credit card.
I understand now. The safety money is for the water and the TV.
Exactly. So don't break the TV and don't drink the water.
Okay, I promise. Now, room time?
Almost. You need to find the room. They will tell you where it is.
Find the room? But I have my key. I just go, right?
Well, hotels are big. You need to know the floor.
The floor, like level 1, level 2?
Yes, exactly. So the worker says, your room is on the 4th floor.
4th floor. Okay, that is up.
Right. So you need to use the machine that goes up.
The machine? Oh, the elevator.
Yes, the elevator. Or in the UK, they call it a lift.
A lift? Like lifting a heavy box?
Yeah, like lifting you up.
Okay, lift or elevator. I get it.
But wait, Lucas, a lot of hotels have a secret rule for the elevator.
A secret rule? What secret rule?
You have to use your key card to make it move.
In the elevator? I thought the key is just for the door.
Nope. You get in the elevator, you push the button for floor 4.
And nothing happens?
Nothing happens because you must touch your key card first.
Wow, that is very safe.
Very safe. Tap the key, then push the button.
Tap key, push button. Got it. So I go up, I find room 405.
And how do you open the door?
I put the card in the hole?
Maybe. Or you just touch it to the door, like a phone.
Oh, tap it. Beep. And I go in.
Beep. You are in. You did it.
Finally, I want to sleep.
Wait, before you sleep, Lucas, you forgot the best part of hotels.
The best part? The bad?
No, food. You need to ask about food.
Oh, breakfast. I love breakfast.
Me too. You must ask the worker 2 very important questions.
Okay. What are the questions, Luna?
First, what time is breakfast?
What time is breakfast? Easy.
Second, where is breakfast?
Where is breakfast? Because it might not be near my room.
Exactly. Maybe it is on the 1st floor. Maybe it is on the roof.
Breakfast on the roof. That sounds nice.
Right? So always ask, what time is breakfast and where is it?
Okay, I will ask. Is there anything else?
Just one more thing. Leaving the hotel.
Leaving? But I just got here.
I know, but you need to ask about checkout time.
Checkout time. That means when I must go?
Yes, usually it is 11 o'clock in the morning, or maybe 12.
So I ask, what is the checkout time?
Perfect. What is the checkout time? Very good, Lucas.
Wow, checking in is a lot of work.
It is. Let's do a quick practice right now.
Oh, okay, like a test?
A fun test. Listeners, you try too. What do you say to find out when to eat in the morning?
Oh, I know.
Tell us, Lucas.
What time is breakfast?
Yes. And listeners, what do you ask when you leave?
What is checkout time? Boom. I am so smart.
You are very smart. Next time you travel, ask these questions.
Yes. Where do you want to travel next? Tell us in the comments.
And don't forget to like and subscribe to English Pod Center for more easy English. Bye.